Good morning, dear students. Today we'll study chapter 3rd, Living with Pap in English Literature, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. So, let's begin. Chapter 3rd, Living with Pap. In chapter 2, we have studied that Huck's father hears about the amount of money Huck has found, and so he has come to him to snatch the money. As you know, he is a great drunkard and he spends all the money after drinking. And when he comes to Huckleberry, Huckleberry says that he has sold all his money to Judge Thatcher, and Huck's father goes to Judge Thatcher and demands Huck's money from him. But Judge Thatcher refuses to give even a penny. Before leaving the place, Huck's father threatens Judge Thatcher for dragging him into the court and get the money from him. But Judge Thatcher doesn't budge. He remains completely stolid and he refuses to give money to Huck's father. In chapter 3, though he leaves the place, but he is always around. He is watching out for me. He always keeps an eye on Huck. One day it was spring season and he catches Huck and takes him about 3 miles up the river in a boat. Now he crosses the river and goes to the other side, and the area is completely full of woods. Area is full of forest, and in the forest Huck's father takes Huck to a wooden hut, and that hut is completely hidden from the public view. If a stranger goes there, he will not be able to know if there is really a hut until or unless someone tells him. Now, there Huck's father keeps Huck with him every time. Huck's father never leaves Huck alone. At night, he locks the hut from inside and keeps the key under his head while sleeping. Now, he has a gun as well, and which is stolen. Huck guesses he had a gun which I guess he had stolen. And there, what do they eat? Well, his father goes for fishing and hunting, and this way they fill their stomach so that they could stay alive. After every few days, Huck's father goes to the market. There he sells the fish and he buys whiskey and he brings whiskey back to that wooden hut as well. And there he also gets drunk, and under the influence of liquor, he beats Huck severely. And it is a routine there. Every day, Huck is beaten by his father mercilessly. And by and by, it gets so bad that Huck cannot tolerate any longer. But there was no way, nothing could have been done. Now, and his father was very careful to leave anything sharp like knife in the hut. He knew very well that Huck would try to run away. So Huck's father left no sharp thing in the hut. One day, Huck's father doesn't return for 3 days. It was very terrible for Huck to remain inside. He thinks that his father has drowned in the river and died. And he thought that he would no longer will be able to come out of that house.